Welcome to episode 4 of the NoodleTools video series. Now that you know how to create an APA reference for an article, let's learn how to create an APA reference for a source found on the internet. This article, found on the National Humanities Center website, will be used to demonstrate this process. Here's a tip. Open NoodleTools in one window and the web article in another to easily transfer information from the article into the NoodleTools form. In order to add to the list of sources for the sociology assignment, return to the sociology project created in episode 2. Just like creating a reference for an article, click on the Sources tab, then click on the green New Source button. Because the article was found on the internet, click on the Website tab. Select the source type that best describes what you are citing from the menu. Web page is the best choice. The first item of information needed is the URL. Navigate to the article and copy the web page URL from the address line and paste it into the URL field on the form. Next, find the date of publication. Scroll through the article to see if a publication date is provided. Note that in this example, a date is provided at the top of the web page. However, the date is associated with the website itself and not this article. Because no date is provided, leave the date of publication field empty. The date that a web page is viewed has to be entered if the website changes a lot and archives are not available. Think of websites like weather.com or CNN.com that can change hourly. In this case, the website is static, so no information is needed to be entered here. The author information is entered next. In the Contributors area, click on the Roll down arrow and select Author. Go back to the article and locate the author's name. Copy and paste this information into the NoodleTools form. Next, enter the title of the web page article. Go back to the article and copy and paste the title into the web page article field. Make note of the formatting suggestions that appear in the pop-up box. In this case, use sentence capitalization for the title. Finally, enter the name of the website in the Name of Website field. Complete the process by clicking the Save button in the upper right. The citation for a website has been added to the list in alphabetical order. You can view the in-text citation for this source by clicking on the Options down arrow and selecting In-Text Citation. An example of a parenthetical reference and additional information about in-text citations will appear. Now that you know how to create an APA reference for a website, watch the 5th video in the NoodleTools series to learn how to cite an ebook.